So let's just see how we can pass arguments to the event handler in React. So currently we have one simple button which increases the value of the count by 1. So here we have the button. Whenever we click on this, it increases by 1. So let's now create two buttons. One button will increase by 1 and another will increase by 2. And to do that, we have to pass arguments to this event handler. So first of all, we're gonna create one h1 tag, and inside that we're gonna print this count. And then we're gonna create two buttons. One will increase by 1 and another button will increase by 2. Now to pass argument to this function, there are a few different ways we can do that, but the most used and straightforward approach is to use the arrow function. So here we can use one arrow function, and then here we can pass the argument, and in the button 2 we're gonna pass the argument 2. Now in the event handler, it will receive that argument and it will increase the count by that value. So you can see we have the count and two buttons, so one will increase by 1 and another one is increasing by 2, and that is possible because we have passed different arguments to the same event handler. So this way of passing arguments to the event handler is the most straightforward and preferred method, and here the code is much more clean and readable. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.